Hello children, are you happy with the cursive writing? Trace the patterns. You are all experts in doing this, right? The zigzag patterns. Okay, continue like that. Even this one. Complete this page 3 from cursive writing and also standing and sleeping lines. Trace and draw. You have to draw the straight lines, standing lines. Okay, this line also goes for standing lines. And here we will join the dots for standing lines. Join the dots. Do it neatly. Then sleeping lines. In this direction, draw sleeping lines. Okay, and then we will do the slanting lines. Most of you have done this already, so I am doing it little faster. Okay, these are called slanting lines. Here join the dots for slanting lines. Okay, now slanting lines to the left. Okay children, then join the dots and complete this page. This is from cursive writing. Next take literacy skill book. What we have learned last week up to page number 5 is over. 6, 7 also is over. Today I think I told you to join the dots and color the picture as well. The giraffe, the tree, the flowers, the elephant. Some of the children have sent me already the pictures. Now let us practice the first letter in each picture. See, ant, a. Whose sound is this? Letter A. This is bag, b. Whose sound is that? It's of letter B. This is camel, k. Whose sound is this? It's of letter C. This is dog, d. Whose sound is that? It's of letter D. This is envelope, a. Envelope, letter E. This is fan, f. Whose sound is this? It's of letter F. Grapes, g. Whose sound is this? It's of letter G. House, h. Whose sound is that? It's of letter H. Igloo, I. It's of the sound is of letter I. Now let us practice. Write the first letter for each one. J. Sound is of letter J. This is kite, k. It is K. Lamp, l. Letter L. Moon, m. Whose sound is that? It's of M. Nest, n. Sound is for letter N. Orange, o. It's of letter O. This is panda, p. P sound is P. This is quill, k. It is Q. And rose, r. The letters is R. That much is for you today from literacy skill book. Let us continue the rest in the next class. Now take literacy workbook. Page number 8. A or an. You know that we need to write A for consonants and an for the words which begin with vowel. We need to write an for the words which begin with the words which begin with vowels. Which are the vowels? Which are the vowels? Letter A, E, I, O, U are vowels. If any word begins with these letters, then we will write an. Okay. Now book, B. B is a consonant. It is not in this list. So we will put a book. This is elephant, E. Is it here? Yes. So it is an elephant. Now ant, A-N-T, ant, A is here. Is it there in this box? Yes. So need to say an ant. What is this? Igloo, I is here. Yes. Therefore put an igloo. Now cat, C-A-T, cat. C, is it there in this box? No. Therefore you will write a cat. Now kite, K. Is it there in this box? No. Therefore you will write a kite. An apple, apple, A. A is in this box here. It's a vowel. Therefore we will write an apple. Octopus. It starts with letter O. It is a vowel. Therefore we will write an octopus. Okay. Now take page number 9. A or an. A or an. Read and circle A or an. Now this is, what is this? Aeroplane. So aeroplane, look at this, A. Now which are the vowels I told you? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Therefore, any word which begins with the letter among these, that should be read as with the word an. Now aeroplane, A. Therefore, it is an aeroplane. An aeroplane. Okay. Now bus, B. Bus, B. Is it here? Not there. Therefore, we will say a bus. Okay, children. Now here you have chair, chair, C. Is it there in this box? Not there. Therefore, we will say a chair. Okay. T-shirt, T-shirt. It's letter T. It's not there in this box. Therefore, what we shall say? A T-shirt. A T-shirt. What is this? It's a balloon. B. Okay. So here you see B. Is it there in this box? Not there. Therefore, what you will say? A or an? You will say a balloon. Okay. Now what is this? It's an umbrella. Umbrella. Letter U. Okay. U. Is it there in this box? It's there? Yes, of course. Now, how we should say? We should tell it as an umbrella. Okay. Next is orange. O is a vowel. Therefore, an orange. Iron. An iron. Boy. A boy. So, only if it starts with the vowel, you will use the word an. Otherwise, you will say only a. Okay, children. Bye-bye.